Hello and welcome back to our channel Health Vision Physiotherapy, where you can learn more about physiotherapy. Today in this video I will be sharing a few exercises that can help you with your rotator cuff pain. Rotator cuff injury is the most common cause for your shoulder pain. Rotator cuff is nothing but a group of muscles that consist of four muscles, that is your supraspinatus, infraspinatus, teres minor and subscapularis. These four muscles together are known as rotator cuff muscles. Now what this muscles does is it provides stability to your shoulder joint. We know that our shoulder joint is a ball and socket variety joint where there is large number of freedom of range of motion which is available. You can move your arm up front, you can move your arm sideways, you can take your arm backward and also perform rotation activities. Now because of this free range of motion freedom available, the ball and socket variety, that is the head of the humerus, can get dislocated because of its freedom of range of motion. Now what this rotator cuff does is it provides stability to your shoulder joint and prevents it from dislocation. Rotator cuff injury is most commonly seen in people who are doing overhead activities on a daily basis and on a very repetitive manner. For example, it is most commonly seen in people who play basketball, table tennis players, badminton players. It is commonly seen in them. And also there can be other causes for the rotator cuff to get injured. For example, like trauma or sudden forces that are acting on the shoulder that can cause your rotator cuff to get injured. Rotator cuff injury levels vary. It can be tendinitis, tendinopathy, there can be partial tear, there can be a small tear. Again, it depends upon the level of injury. In this video today, we will be discussing about exercises that can help you with your rotator cuff injury pain. So, keep watching the video, and before starting with any exercise, do consult your doctor and your physiotherapist before starting any exercise, because again your pain, your injury and your symptoms may vary. And yeah, with that notified, let's just quickly begin with the video and let me just show you all the exercises that you can perform.
So for the first exercise, you need to have a chair in front of you. Take one step forward and look down, bend forward, and then just move your arm front and back. Use your body and then move your arm as if it is a pendulum. Let it hang by its side. After doing front and back, you can proceed for round and round movements inwards, that is clockwise and anti-clockwise. You can perform this activity for around 10 times. Then you can proceed for side and side, that is inside and outside movements. For the second exercise, we have scapular retraction. For this, you need to have your elbows at 90 degrees and then just take your elbows backwards. You will feel a squeeze between your two scapulars in your upper back. You can repeat this for around 10 times. And for the third exercise, what I want you to do is grab a stick and then slowly lift it in front of you. Now while doing this, do it till the point where there is no pain. Do it under the pain-free range. Repeat this activity for around 10 times. After doing it for the front, you can go for side. Go for the right side 10 times and then go for the left side 10 times each. This helps in doing the movement in your affected hand with the help of your good hand. Now for the fourth exercise, stand at a distance from the wall and then slowly climb up the wall with the use of your fingers. Again, do this till the point where there is no pain and then slowly bend your neck forward so that you will feel a stretch and then relax. After feeling the stretch, then slowly climb down of the wall. Make sure that the elbow is kept straight and make sure there is adequate distance between you and the wall so that you can touch the wall. Repeat this activity slowly for around 5 to 10 times. For our next exercise, you need to lie down sideways. Then place your arms as shown in the video. Place a towel roll under your elbow and perform this action for around 10 times. You can use half-liter water bottle or 1-liter water bottle according to your preferences. For the second part, you can place a towel roll in between your arm and your side. Then slowly do the movement from out to in, that is up to down.
You felt that the video was helpful? So what are you waiting for? Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel Health Vision Physiotherapy. And do not forget to follow our page on Instagram, which is by the name Health Vision Physiotherapy and Rehabilitation. for more such updates and more such information related to physiotherapy.